top 10 best fighter jet in the world. Present. F-16. The General Dynamics F-16 Fighting Falcon is a single-engine supersonic multirole fighter aircraft originally developed by General Dynamics, now Lockheed Martin, for the United States Air Force. Designed as an air superiority day fighter, it evolved into a successful all-weather multirole aircraft. Over 4,500 aircraft have been built since production was approved in 1976. Gripen. Saab JAS 39 Gripen is a light single-engine multirole fighter aircraft manufactured by the Swedish aerospace company Saab. It was designed to replace the Saab 35 Draken and 37 Viggen in the Swedish Air Force. The Gripen has a delta wing and canard configuration with relaxed stability design and fly-by-wire flight controls. It is powered by the Volvo RM12 and has a top speed of Mach 2. MiG-35. The Mikoyan MiG-35 is a Russian fighter aircraft that is a further development of the MiG-29M/M2 and MiG-29K/Cub fighters. It is classified as a 4th+ generation jet fighter by Mikoyan. The first prototype was a modification of the aircraft that previously served as a MiG-29M2 model demonstrator. In 2009, 10 prototypes had been built for field trials. F-35 Lightning II. The Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II is a family of single-seat, single-engine, all-weather stealth multirole fighters undergoing final development and testing for the United States and partner nations. The 5th-generation combat aircraft is designed to perform ground attack and air defense missions. Eurofighter Typhoon. The Eurofighter Typhoon is a twin-engine, canard delta wing, multirole fighter. The Typhoon was designed and is manufactured by a consortium of Linear Air Mach, Airbus Group and B Systems that conducts the majority of the project through a joint holding company, Eurofighter Jagdflugzeug GmbH, formed in 1986. NATO Eurofighter and Tornado Management Agency manages the project and is the prime customer. Dassault Rafale. The Dassault Rafale is a French twin-engine, canard delta wing, multirole fighter aircraft designed and built by Dassault Aviation. Equipped with a wide range of weapons, the Rafale is intended to perform air supremacy, interdiction, aerial reconnaissance, ground support, in-depth strike, anti-ship strike and nuclear deterrence missions. Sukhoi Su-30MK. The Sukhoi Su-30MKI is a twin-jet multirole air superiority fighter developed by Russia's Sukhoi and built under license by India's Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL, for the Indian Air Force, IAF. A variant of the Sukhoi Su-30, it is a heavy, all-weather, long-range fighter. Sukhoi Su-35. The Sukhoi Su-35 is a designation for two separate, heavily upgraded derivatives of the Su-27 flanker jet plane. They are single-seat, twin-engine, super-maneuverable multirole fighters, designed by Sukhoi and built by Komsomolsk-on-Amur Aircraft Production Association. F-22 Raptor. The Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor is a 5th-generation, single-seat, twin-engine, all-weather stealth tactical fighter aircraft developed for the United States Air Force. The result of the USAF's Advanced Tactical Fighter program, the aircraft was designed primarily as an air superiority fighter, but also has ground attack, electronic warfare, and signal intelligence capabilities. Sukhoi Pak-FA. The Sukhoi Pak-FA is a 5th generation fighter program of the Russian Air Force. The T-50 is the name of the prototype aircraft designed by Sukhoi for the Pak-FA program. The aircraft is a stealthy, single-seat, twin-engine jet fighter, and will be the first operational aircraft in Russian service to use stealth technology. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Please check out my other videos.